Tested ideas to ramp up your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an essential part of online business planning, but understanding it and finding a good affiliate program can be tricky. There are all kinds of products and budgets to make sense of and choose the right one. Here are some steps you can take to ensure you get the best affiliates for your online business. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Before signing up for any affiliate program, see if the program has a reputation for what is called commission shaving. Some dishonest affiliates shave commissions, which is affiliate marketing jargon for not crediting all sales that were referred by your affiliate ID. This is an inexact science since you depend on the company to accurately report this data, but it is possible to note suspicious activity. As you read, affiliate marketing is incredibly important to your current and future business planning, and so is understanding all the different kinds. This is so it makes it easier for you to understand what programs fit your personal needs. Following the above tips is a very good starting place. Student loan.